Hey everyone, Bassman Strikes here. It was a Saturday evening and I took the Slayer Max out for some southeast Wisconsin fishing. I went out in the evening mostly because I don't like getting up early.
Mr. Beaver.
Kind of sucks. It turned out to be a pretty good night. Saw a lot of wildlife, caught some fish. Overall a great night. So keep watching and check it out.
Ooh, big rock bass. Huh. First fish of the night, a rock bass. There we go. Nice smallie. Alright folks, there's smallmouth number one. It's a dink, but it's a smallmouth. There we go. Whoa! Net on this sucker. Okay, calm down, buddy. Calm down. There we go. Oh, that was a hit. There we go, got him. Pike. Woo, look at that. There we go. Pike, it's about 22. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Take it easy, dude. Alright, finally, a little pike. I got a little pike on a swim bait. Swim bait with a paddle tail. Second pike of the night. It's been actually kind of slow, but still better than sitting around doing nothing. There we go, got him. Pike. Oh, there we go. Got him. Is that a smallie? Son of a... Seriously, dude?
Well, that wraps it up, folks. Overall, it was a pretty good night. The moon started to rise, so I started to head it back. I was pretty far upriver, and it took me a little while to get back in the dark. The sunset was pretty cool, as you can see here in the background. And overall, it was a good night. Thanks for coming out in the water with me. Bass Man out. Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.